In this video, I will show you how to buy and send Bitcoin on Venmo. Venmo makes it very easy to purchase Bitcoin directly inside the app, and they now allow you to transfer it to an external wallet as well. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Venmo app and log into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the crypto section. From there, choose Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Tap Buy, enter the amount you want, review your order, and confirm your purchase. Once you complete the transaction, your Bitcoin will appear in your Venmo balance under the crypto section. Now, if you want to send it to another wallet, go back into your Bitcoin section and tap the transfer or send option. Venmo will ask whether you want to send it to another Venmo user or to an external wallet. Choose the external wallet option. At this point, you'll need the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address. Paste it carefully because Bitcoin transfers are permanent and cannot be reversed if any mistake is made. Enter the amount you want to send, double-check all the details, and then confirm the transfer. It may take a few minutes depending on network activity, but once it goes through, the Bitcoin will show up in the external wallet you chose. Keep in mind that Venmo charges a network fee for these types of transfers, so always make sure to review the fee before confirming. And that's all there is to it. That's how you buy Bitcoin on Venmo and send it to another wallet. Thank you for watching.